should use notebooks. My second point is, as iPads have a force of light, and so it can affect and spoil our eyes. But notebook doesn't have any force of light, and so our eyes will not be much affected. My third point is, as iPads need to be charged time to time, and so electricity will be used, and it's not one or two iPads will be used daily. There will be thousands of iPads used daily if we use iPads for some notebooks. Now, I want to give an example. Like a dictation is going on, and there is an exclamatory mark, and so many times it takes time for searching the exclamatory mark, and so
Because as our next generation demands are increasing, we need the best technology for fulfilling their demands. And Apple company has got iPads for all fields, and one of the fields is education. iPads helps in education a lot. It has many apps like puzzle solving, quiz and amazing facts, which helps a lot in studies. iPads should be replaced with notebooks because if we have to erase our one mistake in notebook, it takes a lot of time. But in iPads, if just one click and all the data which we want is erased. And if we want to make a project file in notebooks, it takes a lot of time. But in iPads, it takes less time because we can make our notes fast and typing. We can do our typing fast in iPads than notebooks because if we write our hand, our hand it starts to pain. But in iPad, typing is very easy. So I prefer that iPad should be replaced with notebook.
Company has to speak against the topic.
All of us has been given. Yes, it is true that iPads made our work easy. But then what will happen to the poor children? They cannot afford iPads of 32,000 or 35,000. They have a lot of field to study. And if iPads are compulsory for all of us to use, then they will not be able to study. And yes, it is true that they can afford notebooks and write in it. If a student has saved many data files in an iPad, and suppose if the iPad breaks and lost all the data, then the data would not be recovered. And by using iPad, once handwriting goes down. In exams like board exams, IEEE, PMT, a student has to write. So what will happen to them in their exams? And notebooks are eco-friendly. Their papers can be recycled and it can be used again and again. So I conclude that notebook should not be replaced by iPads.
My name is Shelly and I am from class 16, and today I am going to speak against the topic that notebooks should be used and iPad should not be used. If we will use iPad, we will become lazy and dependent on it. We will be in hurry for doing our work so that we can save our time for playing games and etc. We can also use internet for each and every question. Like the speech I am telling you right now has come from internet from my brain, isn't it? Working on iPad also have health hazards like our eyes get strained by using it. Lastly, I would like to tell that there are more bad than using iPads in good. So thank you.
To say against the topic. Can you imagine a library full of iPad notebooks? I can't imagine that. There would be library of books, but not of iPads. And then when we go to a store, there are lots and lots of options of choosing any books, horror books, sensitive books, like learning books. But iPads, they provide us what do you want, this book, that book. We don't like that. And if suppose if we think that okay, all the world books are not there, only iPad books are there. So what will happen? The rich people, they can only buy. What about the poor? If the poor want to buy the book, they cannot because iPads are costly for them. So this is one of the reason. And if someone is a good writer and wants to issue one book, he he can issue it on the internet. But when he issues in writing, the book is gone through many changes. Many people read and our grammar improves. So that can be one reason. But internet is directly on the internet. No one corrects it. Thank you.
Because as our next generation demands are increasing, we need the best technology for fulfilling their demands. And Apple company has got iPads for all fields, and one of the fields is education. iPads helps in education a lot. It has many apps like puzzle solving, quiz and amazing facts, which helps a lot in studies. iPads should be replaced with notebooks because if we have to erase our one mistake in notebook, it takes a lot of time. But in iPads, if just one click and all the data which we want is erased. And if we want to make a project file in notebooks, it takes a lot of time. But in iPads, it takes less time because we can make our notes fast and typing. We can do our typing fast in iPads than notebooks. Because if we write our hand starts to pain, but in iPad typing is very easy. So I prefer that iPad should be replaced with notebooks.
Children from class 7 they are going to say that we should use notebooks instead of using iPads. We should use notebooks instead of using iPads because as iPads are very costly and so many of the people can't afford it. But notebooks are cheaper and so mostly all of them can afford it. And so we should use notebooks. My second point is as iPads have a force of light and so it can affect and spoil our eyes. But notebook doesn't have any force of light and so our eyes will not be much affected. My third point is as iPads need to be charged time to time and so electricity will be used and it's not one or two iPads will be used daily. There will be thousands of iPads used daily if we use iPads instead of notebooks. Now I want to give an example like a dictation is going on and there is an exclamatory mark and so many times it takes time for searching the exclamatory mark and so
We have to speak against the topic.
If notebooks are made up of paper, so deforestation takes place. But if we use iPad, we can save our environment. Carrying notebooks of all the subjects is heavier than carrying an iPad. It can cause us back pain, shoulder pain, etc. When the teacher explains, the children understand only 50% of the concept. So, if they are performing it by any educational game, the children can understand the concept easily, which is only possible by the iPads. Notebooks can get dirty easily by ink spreading, paper tearing, etc. But iPads can last forever. In our school, the teachers are given iPads a year ago for transition of focused curriculum. In USA, more than half of the schools are going to be books free after 2016. iPads play a lead role in the school's curriculum programs with the help of internet. iPads are digital, enthusiastic, entertaining, so they help the students to keep more attention in class. iPads have many activities like educational games, the internet, then books, then stories, etc. All the qualities of iPads are better than a notebook. iPads are more beneficial and favorable, according to me. Thank you.
That iPads are not convenient than notebooks. In ancient time, our ancestors take pains to write in notebooks and trade. Do you think we should use iPad? From the iPad the children are only playing the games and they are ignoring outdoor games increases the stamina and make the body fit. The iPad creates many diseases like brain cancer and other diseases. iPads. I have heard a story that the 14 years child have passed the exam of IIT. He lives in village and he doesn't use iPads and other technologies. He only uses the notebook and pen, and he has passed the exams. So we should use iPads. We should use notebooks against the iPad. Thank you.
iPads are convenient and effective. Firstly, I'd like to tell you that every day around 2,000 trees are cut. And if we use iPads instead of books, we can save many trees. Secondly, I'd like to tell you that apps provided by iPads make learning fun and easy to understand. As their visual and sound effects are very nice, and its quality is also very nice, which eliminate any inconvenience in usage. And then I'd like to tell you that many problems are arising due to the heavy load of books. And if iPads are used, many problems like baggage, pain in shoulder, and tiredness, and etc. But if iPads are used, it can solve all these problems as they can store all the books in one and make the load light. And then I'd like to tell you that many people think it's expensive, but it's not expensive, as it saves the money spent on stationeries, different books and notebooks. And it can be used for several years. So, and if in notebooks, one academic years get over, we have to buy everything for the new year. But in iPads, we can use it for several years. And some people say that it can be misused, but papers can also be misused. We can make aeroplanes and planes with it. But iPads, it's the same. They can also be misused. And secondly, and it's very useful for the people who love reading, as they provide free download of books from the iTunes, and many useful videos are also there which help in understanding the subjects, understanding lessons more. And lastly, I'd like to tell you that they don't create boundaries on learning. The students are free to know, explore, and learn through the internet. Thank you.
Handwriting and a legible handwriting is an integral part of learning. It improves our eye-to-hand coordination, makes us more focused, and gives us an opportunity to express ourselves more profoundly. And this can happen only if we use notebooks. But iPads do not make us totally ready for the subjective exams, which is very mandatory for the Indian education system. Increased use of iPads have affected greatly the student and teacher relation. Students do not focus on teachers, but they focus on the screens of the iPads. So they are gradually drifting away the feeling that how important the presence of teacher in the classroom is. This has also increased the incidence of cheating in classrooms. Student and teacher interaction has been replaced by net surfing. No one can deny that iPad has a very high speed for doing work. But the negative aspect of this is that students are forgetting the value of time and complete their work at the last moment and submit to the teacher at the last moment. iPad can be damaged very easily and one can lose all its data stored in it. But it is not the case with notebooks. Regular use of iPad may affect the student's eyesight and cause many health problems. Moreover, do you know iPads are very expensive, but notebooks are very cheaper. And the common thing of notebook is that they are eco-friendly too. Friends, now who is responsible? If the students are supposed to use iPads and they will waste their precious time by shooting of unwanted emails, chatting, playing games, or surfing net aimlessly instead of completing their work. Now, students, you are up to you to decide whether iPads are better or the notebooks. So, don't you feel the traditional method of learning is better than the
we also be able to conserve our environment. I'm sure my against topic will say that even iPads use energy which is not good for the environment, but only 100%, and then for the notebooks it's thousands of rupees. So thank you.
Thank you, Mariam. Now I would like to invite Shrestha and Angela to speak against the topic.